God, can't believe that. A few bashes and out it came. There you go. That's the shaft. That's the top bearing. And that's the bottom one. So I'll take it, all this comes apart somehow, look, by the look of it. Oh my God. Right. Clean it up, see what we can find out. Cheers for now. Right, welcome back. I managed to get the big nut off with a lot of heat from my little dinky oxyacetylene propane system. That's all I have for the works brilliantly for the little jobs I need to do. But anyway, that's worked really well. I soaked it overnight in removal fluid. I've just wire brushed that off to try and get the bearing off now. But yeah, the big nut and the spacer came off fairly well. So and now I've got to see if this will come off now, the bearing. So we'll have a bash at that and see if there's any movement. There's bits of it that have been broken, that have really fallen apart. Not a lot left of it, to be honest. There was nothing left of the top bearing at all. But at least the bottom bearing, there was something left. But right, anyway, see if there's anywhere we can get to. Oh, movement. Oh, look at that, that's what we want. That's the way to do it. Bloody super. Don't want to damage the threads. Could have made the threads a different size, couldn't they? Right, there you go. That's that off. So what I'll do is I'll put that on the lathe and clean it all up. And see if I can find out what these bearings were. Bit of monsters, but right, okay, I'll see you later. Cheers for now. Right, I'm just taking a very, very fine layer off the top just to get rid of the rust, really. This is the bit that sits in the bottom bearing, well, they're not bearing blocks, they're just blocks that hold it in place. I've got to get the bolts out the bottom, so it doesn't really matter what, I mean, it can't go too small, but just take a little skim off here just to take the rust off mainly. I can do the same this end, that's not a problem. That's better. It's only just to take the surface rust off more than anything else. So. Very good. Right, cheers for now. Right. These are the two bolts that broke off. What I'm going to try and do, and we got focus, you can see them, there they are. I'm going to build it up with a bit of weld first, and then I'm going to try and weld a nut on it and see if that will move it. If that fails, I'll have to drill it out and tap it. But I'll try welding first. I'm just going to build up a bit of weld on it before I do anything. See how we get on with that first. what I'm hoping is the heat will help the moving process. We shall see. Put a glove on because that's going to get mildly hot, to say the least. Right, see if this will work. Put the scabby end down. Right, that's hot. Okay then, I'm going to move it over to the voice and see what happens. Probably just come off straight away. Break off. Okay then. Too big. 19 then. My God, oh, no, broke off. Damn, didn't get enough penetration on the weld. I'll try that again. Right, I'll find another nut and give that another go. Cheers for now. Okay, attempt number 2. I think I've got a bit more weld down in there now. So here we go. Oh, I've got dirt on my spanner. Not good, is it? Right. Oh, movement. There is some movement. Right, see if I can get some squirty goopy tube stuff down there. I would much rather take the bolt out than have to drill it and tap it and thread it and jiggery poker it. Cool, that's bloody hot. Backwards, forwards. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Get some movement. I need a bigger voice. Right, go for a bit more of a thread turn. Dare I put the impact gun on it? Dare I put the impact gun on it? Opinions please in the bottom section. Shall I put the impact gun on it? Well, if this works, I don't have to replace the bolt. I've got a new bolt. I've got the head on it and everything like. God, it's gone a full half a turn now, look. Oh, it's going even more now. Look at that, half a turn. 3/4 of a turn. Will we get a full turn? We've got a full turn. Right, let's go for it, see what it does. Some more screwball. Let it get down in that new thread. Go back up a bit. I think we've worked. I think it's worked. Look at that. God, that's a fine thread for that. There she blows. I'll just hope the other one's as easy. Look at that. There you go, don't even have to replace the bolt now. New bolt ready made. Look at that, perfect. Perfect thread, everything. Can't see it because the damn camera won't focus, but... Right, we'll have a go at the other one. Back in a bit.